number no Toma number Lenge Song Ngadu Dilishu.
Well, I would like to wish everyone good morning.
아들의 가상기 최대 주합니다. 그거 디마모티를 쉬어야지.
And now I will continue from where we left off yesterday, discussing the subject of death and impermanence.
남지 참여배 수익이 치와라 균세 숨지 체랑 예배 매배 치다 류를 닝부 매배 치다 치위 게마에 치 남지 참여배 치워 될라 당번에 로아시에남 링생기 미즈랑 예배 얘기야 오건 전부리 미세랑 예배 매대 최원바 줄이야 니나 망에 타마르네 로주 당부 빠바매 제송소 대야 지다랑 예배 매나 처음에 카지 응애도 치워 카지 대신까지 제베서 대신까지 고자는 대신까지 용주나 라라 게다라라 신라라 탈라바베 미림게로든 로규 대시에 숨바다 류는 닝부메바네 류들 미자에 제수 저루 마도베 닝부 사라지야메 제게도 준줄래 토마르바베르마다 랑글로에 다데 샤르 베타와레 시럽전이 그도세日本人也切进刚个法大姐，你这个宁不去等一点道理去写送。七月间嘛，那那些他们七月间都没去我们的西镇的，村里人嘛，那么弄个单位去不入也没单，我就我们也老板的三公干那天的我是写送说，这个没当把去完了就是送的，三那个没当把的，新年也没当把的，年些也没当把的，让个旅也没当把，对了。노세기 미동반의 지게도 주주래 예방만 못 합주도 유린 뒤수 대제에 춘부 초바 지신도 데몰라고 동버도 시에송소 대다 노세기 추알을 미동버 마세데 니진 이거를 내버이노 대라 천들 내번 노세기 시 탑주에다 송쟁이 동행 줄라 치마디 있는 인에서도 교회는 대라 년세기 미동반의 지게도 주주래 치외 뒤라 바바는 폰을 겹수미 교시 파야만 인두미 쾌라 겹순 교함에 제 순서 대들 인류기 치와를 매동으로 마세 된디진이가 내버이노 대라 천들 내버네 대남 시도 나도 팝기 도는 동해체라 치마테 남르미 민예선도 교회이노 랑 류긴 매동반에 류기 연디기 매동바다 류랑 응업을 매동바 대라 당번에 빠시 시체야 치와매도 세신 반교야 치와를 저배 메타라 장시 마케야 샤장의 멜로디 시장의 멜로디 빼나 니마 리파던 롤 수게宣대방 손을 미니 받았다 류랑의 응업을 동반의 지게도 준줄래 가만 비주바에 세다 그기 장빌 켜르민도 제지사 야나 바르메스 야나 추이나도 야나 사이 통도 바시에 송소
The uncertainty of the time of death is explained by three reasons: because the lifespan is indefinite, because the body has no essence, and because there are many causes of death. Therefore, there is no certainty of the time of death. In other realms or on other continents, lifespan is certain, but in this world, our life has no definite length, as is mentioned in the treasury of Abhidharma. Here it's indefinite, 10 years at the beginning and 10 years at the end and limitless at the beginning. Now, how is it indefinite? The verses in spoken intentionally say, some die while they're in the womb and some when they are born. Some die when they can just crawl and some when they can run. Some die old and some die young, some in the prime of life. All must die when their time comes. Saying the body is without essence means that there is no single solid substance in it, only the 36 impure components. Engaging in the conduct of bodhisattvas says, first of all, mentally separate the layers of skin, and then with a scalpel of discrimination separate the flesh from the skeletal frame. And having split open even the bones, look right down into the marrow. While examining this, ask yourself, where is the essence? Many causes of death means that there is nothing that does not contribute to the death of ourselves and others. The letter to a friend says, this life has many dangers. It is more fragile than a bubble blown by the wind. It is a great marvel to have time to live, to breathe in and out, and to wake from sleep. There are also 3 reasons why the body will be no help when death occurs. We cannot be helped by our wealth, we cannot be helped by our relatives or friends, and we cannot be helped by our bodies. We cannot be helped by our wealth. Engaging in the conduct of bodhisattvas says, although I may live happily for a long time through obtaining a great deal of material wealth, I shall go forth empty-handed and destitute, just like having been robbed by a thief. Besides not benefiting us, wealth harms us in this life and hereafter. The harm for this life comes from quarreling and fighting for wealth, and experiencing the suffering of becoming a slave to wealth, protecting it from thieves. Hereafter, we are thrown into the lower realms through the maturation of the result of these actions. We cannot be helped by our relatives or friends. It is said, when the time of death comes, your children cannot become a refuge, nor can your father, mother, or friends. There is no one in whom you can take refuge. Besides not benefiting us, relatives will harm us in this life and the hereafter. The harm for this life is the great suffering from the fear that they may die, get sick, or be defeated by others. Hereafter, we are thrown into the lower realms through the maturation of the result. We cannot be helped by our own bodies. We cannot get help from the qualities of the body, nor from the body itself. First, no matter how strong and powerful the body may be, it cannot turn back death. No matter how limber and swift, it cannot escape death. No matter how learned or eloquent we may be, we cannot escape death by debating. For example, when the sun is setting on the mountains, no one can postpone it or hold it back. The body itself cannot help. It is said, the body which is well sustained by food and clothes that are accumulated through great hardship will not accompany you, but will be eaten by birds or dogs, or cremated in a blazing fire, or will rot under the water, or will be buried under the ground.
대다를 류디 치와라 메동버마세 텐디진이가 내베이노 텔라센드 내베네 류디 나메스 차메스 차메스 테메스 꼬메스 야기토 세기토 쟁기토 쉬기토 동에도 샤라 치마 류디 렌요 게소도 쭈로이노 신규의 자원에 신시와 미게 통하다 나야 되어 심을 좀 그게 라마 자식 고모 텔레신 시와 미게 통하다 자나 랑이 니들을 써봐 류니 돕다 대 지신당다 대 조원 대화다 대 지와 이게 굴을 미제버지 드린더 친에 있던 류이 돕쇼네 주부야 미니 제게 따셔대요 제게 따셔대요 원보장매도 송 초와 동에 데 나사라 축터메 수세라 수세라 초바메 메데 제가 마수 초가다 림주게 마베 치와네 시 차답네 메 녀기 타메네 거세기 타마네 사탐기 타마네 도잖아 다겐디런신 젠디 최진디 친이 춘인 딜레만데베 인년도 삼 데네디 우첸 드림페 치더지야바 김들 메도 미도버지 인강 다 로드 김들이 샤지게 샤마어버 마르도 쿠르다 샤르게테네 테보 타디 로쿠르기 콘닌 친데메세 라렌 로텔은 주시 창어르체 카지는 무시 파바더지 카지는 뭐지 개와더지라 셴 카지나네 인디네 사인 디네 도이 큐에데더체베 쫄초와 게세 로테네 템바 탈기가네 다네 넘버 3주도 나도 믿어봐 통사나 다냥아르신도 삼 데네 로드 도르드게네 뮤시과다 치다 제장라 소베 쇠바다 기류 토알라 소베 통자나 다장아르신도 삼 신치와 나베 퇴바다 자나 체케무 실로서암 데나 修罗就多了少退上，大家二十都上嘛，先修上到的，成吧，上不了成吧的讲了，让个遇到虫的，听到感觉让他找吧，今年就写的，这个上不了，人不没到吧，大家二十都上嘛，这个人多了，上的几点起码你我都看，对面别上个起来没别起码天了别不是。先送说，没打把讲被偏远呢，对这他们就没打把讲，现在了我先到不赢了。现在特别虽然的尊重于朝鲜，恰当的牛肉菜呢，却两百年多见钱为赢了，他们就已经都不打把那么几个，对这没打把特别留的希望哦。
Besides not bringing benefit at the time of death, it will cause harm in this life and hereafter. The harm in this life is that the body cannot tolerate sickness, heat, cold, hunger, thirst, the fear that someone will hit or beat it, the fear that someone may kill it, the fear that someone may torture it, or the fear that someone may skin it. Hereafter, by this body's faults, we are thrown into the lower realms for the maturation of the results. Applying others' impermanence to oneself, practicing the impermanence of death by applying others' impermanence refers to observing another's death, to hearing of another's death, and to recollecting it in the mind. First, to practice the meditation on impermanence of death by observing another who is dying. For example, consider when a close relative whose body is strong, who has a very bright complexion and a positive feeling, who has no feeling of death in his mind, not at any cost. Suppose he is suddenly caught by a deadly disease. All the strength of his body is lost, and he cannot even sit up. His radiant face or complexion disappears. His face becomes colorless. His feeling is that of suffering. He cannot tolerate the sickness. He cannot endure the pain. The medicines and medical treatments have no effect. Religious rituals and ceremonies no longer help. He understands that he will die, that there is no other choice. He gathers his last friends and relatives, eats his last food, and repeats his final words. At that time, contemplate, I am also of the same essential nature, in the same condition, and have the same character. I am not beyond this reality. When his breathing has stopped, from then, no matter how lovable and important he may have been in that house from that point on, he cannot pass one day more there. He is laid down on a stretcher, bound and tied across, and the corpse carrier takes him out. Some people of his household embrace the corpse and pretend to cling to it affectionately. Others weep and pretend to be dejected. Others fall to the ground in a faint, while some other friends say that the body is earth and stone, and these actions are silly and not very meaningful. Once the corpse has been carried out of the house and you see that it will never return to the house, then you should practice the meditation. Recollect all this and contemplate, I am also the same essential nature and the same condition and have the same character. I am not beyond this reality. When his corpse is brought to the cemetery and thrown there, when it is eaten by maggots, dogs, jackals, other wild beasts, and so forth, when the bones are scattered here and there, then you will see these things. Recollect as before, contemplating that I am also of the same nature, and so forth. Practice the impermanence of death by hearing that others have died. When you hear that someone has died or that there is a corpse, recollect the impermanence of death as before by contemplating that I am also the same nature, and so forth. Practice the impermanence of death by recollecting the others who have died. Recollect the dead, young or old, who have accompanied you in your country, town, or home. Recollect this as before by contemplating that before too long I will also be of the same nature, and so forth. It says in a sutra, since it is uncertain which will come earlier, tomorrow or the world hereafter, then without making effort for tomorrow, one should get ready for the hereafter. The beneficial effects of this meditation. Awareness of the impermanence of all composite phenomena leads one to release attachment to this life. Further, it nourishes faith, supports perseverance, and quickly frees one from attachment and hatred. It becomes a cause for the realization of the equal nature of all phenomena. This is the fourth chapter dealing with the impermanence of all composite phenomena from the jewel ornament of liberation, the wish-fulfilling gem of the noble teachings.
Tadi兄弟 个了，치와 구주 때문에 그래야 지견미 동버 치게 지견미 동버 치세 방법 송요아래 다디 미동바 사들이야 타르겐 배 방법지 나를 사다다 따는 동아스 동 스티야래 지견미 동바 사 고등 가라에서나 지견 팬도로 민기로와 지견 미벤바 시베 된다지 구유에 임베레 드레인 두상문에 시베 단델라 가지스나 파워사도 따는 동아 동지잖아 야보요레 사르 데지 신이 온디도 제자다디 따지 맞아 지시를 지입니다 따지 제과 지레샤 따드네 들려야 준죽 롱지타 니시 이미 동바 사들려 준죽 롱지타 7회 뒤에 봐봐나 분은 접수미 파다만 인님이 켈리 접수 좋아 매사 이나디 준죽나라 유메 대숨랜도 그래서 디파지 체도 좀 총기 롱진스레스 단 디소르트인데 망고요한데 여러분아 근게 롱제람점 그 롱진 주둥그낭 야 자샤 롱카셰 롱궁 추데는데 가셔도스 근데 용데 있어 나무 개버침부터 상으로 투토리아 교육인자 근데 그 돈에 참사양 거지 가지고 데스지 축으로 왔는데 내가 용데 알았어 되고 논주노노 가교스게 제가 딱아가 투토리 유치 땅 알아도 자지 베저다 되고 그러면 롱 상마 투토리 유치 근데 돈에 참사出시를 찬다는데 용데 알았어 다들 땡땡이야 말다 준주는 예매지 다시 샤워 7회 뒤에 봐봐나 사디 쇼로가 찍기
In the Tibetan text here, there is a phrase that that keeps on repeating that one cannot help death or one cannot be benefit at death at the time of death, and there is disagreement over the proper spelling of the Tibetan. This is in the passage of we cannot get help from the qualities of the body or the body itself. It cannot turn back death. It cannot escape death, and so forth. And the meaning of this passage is that it cannot help us at the time of death. Likewise, there is also a citation that is credited to the way of the Bodhisattva. This is the citation: when the time of death comes, your children cannot become a refuge, nor can your father, mother, or friends. There is no one in whom you can take refuge. But it seems that this is actually not a quotation from the way of the Bodhisattva, but from the Udanavarga. And this is just something that happens in the old texts. So, for example, in the treasuries of the omniscient Longchen Rabjampa, there are many citations that are improperly attributed. And this is because all the great masters in olden times would recite quotations from memory. And when reciting from memory, of course, then sometimes you get mixed up about where the source is from. It is not a particular fault here. It is just a question that they were reciting from memory. So in any case, this one shloka or this one verse is not from the way of the Bodhisattva.
We need to check.
And so we need to check these carefully.
루기미 동에 걸려야 양 준주기 쇼로가지 까마버주에 세다 그이 장미 루이사 다디 쇼로가 쇼로가 찍다 체인다 다들 정대로 대양 준주 나로래 측지 지마시신지 민도스 대다 찬다와진도스 드린 따진 유르기 개발인다 간데이 다신 제고도 근데 드르지임다
There is also another another verse here from the Way of the Bodhisattva that is not quoted exactly the same as it appears in the Way of the Bodhisattva. Now, we need to examine why this is. Perhaps it is a different translation.
신의 기도는 류기 톱쇼네 주부야 미니 제게 따셔는 원부 장매도 송사데 원부 장매도 송사데 드네 개박하지기사나 원부 장매도 송사데 원부디 아나로 원나원 드디지 죄비나 안에 가르쳐 구주를 아부도스타 원보스 나와 원보 돈을 짜면 되지 야나니 디 구주신다지 지랑게 원보사지 신지어라 원보사지 디나 다 아시 우마 우무스 저거 말도 안으로 오마 오무사지 요마래 원보사 신지어라 아 대단 저거 예비나 다 간다야 대래야 다시 제과지어라
There is also a passage in the section on applying others' impermanence to oneself that reads, his radiant face or complexion disappears, his face becomes colorless when contemplating someone who is passing away. And in here it says literally in some Tibetan editions that his faculties lose qualities, but this is difficult to understand. Some people read this text in various different ways, and so this is another passage that needs to be examined.
다 간다 니 소로든지 지 도바에 대해서 지시 예대에서 상으로 아니 달로 말다 니도 주영한력이 니도 주실래 다 달력이 그听접게베 걸려 되네 미세게 담주 이신이도 타바를 붙이 얘기 토량 줄링체는 저다 최기 동시 동주 다디 토량 줄링체하기 그것이 예외 인두산에 아니 제시라하 겸보레 롬녀레 참여는 다다네 엔디솔레베 다지 심주를 제체 수수기 sem 돌리 다네베 가르래 일샤네 심주 체네 딱 한다야 니디 다보를 미치게 럼림디 까먹고 유자마이바 다부그 유지기 다 파노르를 차대야래 제가 닐라 젠든 차다 닐라 체니 야천버지 영과디 개주시 차대도 안드레인 주산에네 다다버도 그 유나를 답에 타겐라 체니 쇼쯤시다 자 룩스드시다 메댕게 그래서 어디야래 마음벌레디 토래야 마타야 가르래 공부수수 나로라 지세다 수수 공부수수 나로르지 로르지 지 팅지로 로도버도 이제 충분히네 아위 길에 삼정게 네 고대 세위입니다 답을 타겐이야 제바지 도스 제바 부디 전부 도사 이제 고스 다들이 제주 최신바도신 아니 기술들이 제위입니다 아주 지금 자 노로든데 예비나 대솔이야 정도 줘야 편도 전부시다 용그래서 정리
And so thus there are several areas that need to be examined in this chapter. In At the end of 2014, during the 18th Kaju Gunshe, there will be a special conference that will be focusing on the jewel ornament of liberation, and it will primarily cover it in terms of the 6 major topics in the summary. During this conference, the Khenpos and students from different shedras will research and examine the text carefully, to help look critically at the actual text. And so I think that if we do this, it will be something that will be very beneficial. In general, this text by Gampopa, his Stages of the Path, is it's really like a general, it's a jewel for all of the Kaju tradition, not just for the Karma Kaju. And so it is important for us to value it and to teach and study this text. Up to now, we have really not had much of a tradition of teaching or studying this text, and so that I hope that in the future, at the very least, in the different shedras and different monasteries, they will be able to cover it at least once per year. Now, it's my understanding that there may well be an extensive commentary about the jewel ornament of liberation. So we are looking for that and searching for it. And if there is such a commentary, then that will help us correct any of the typographical errors or mistake, and will help us be of a great benefit in improving our understanding.
다드네 야미세 드제 룰링 아주 딱지 십주체는 룰링 주베 젤리아 아주 여기다 타겐기 빼면저도 봐 두르체 되네 타겐기 빼면저도 두르네 답배 타고는 되네 지금 아주 휴다 tilchimaro 당시 되지기 다 비수 팁수로 버준지 제토나 야고도스 게젠도스 근데 소년들 연대도 드린주산에 다디 아주 드링 이 뷰제라 대바 야고 총소나 안디기 드링 다지 체베 주된 대술이야 댄체 안 타겐기 다 비수 팁수로 가르된도이네 대전도나 야고도스도 수야이 다나 신기 타겐디 인지게다 자게 털이야 단준 민저 망고 총도 다 디수임이네야 다디 가시 그런 마베 비 고란 나로야 노로 망고 쉐비 뉴산 디기 텔레덴베 안 뉴르디수임이야 논주르 유기레 제자 디술레 망고발야 규제 체 도와데 계정을 좀 해서 정기
And so in the conference, as part of the discussions, we will be doing a lot of research and a lot of analysis of the text. And I think that it would be good to take the results of that and then compare the different editions that are available of it, and then come up with a critical edition of the Jewel Ornament of Liberation that we could publish either as the traditional Pecha format or as a book. If we can publish this critical edition, then I think it would be very good and very helpful. And so, if the research and our conference turn out to be very good and beneficial, then we can take the results of this and use this as the basis for a new critical edition. In additionally, the Jewel Ornament of Liberation has been translated several times. There are several editions, both in English and in Chinese. And some of these editions have used original Tibetan texts that have mistakes in them. And because of this, there are also mistakes that have then also crept into the translations. And so therefore, I think that in the future it would be good to revise the translations as well.
다드네 다 치워입니다. 거들이야. 다디나 거지 뭐 가르쳐 니나는 먼디버지 쉬어야 말라다 니나 냠랜디 상으로 상마 지 가르쳐에 오늘 마 좀바비기 지 투규래 텐데비다 미다베 냠래 예베 다 에너지 냠뇽 예베 지 토네 마 송샵 인류산에 에너지 미다베 냠래 카메바 다더비기 게베 파르도 지 미다베 고르셰데바다 저그마레 고르 시기 뉴번 저그마레 손안 저그마레 아드린 인류산다 게 미센디 토레 슈저스 케민도 다 이미네야 다 지단 가상 슈슈르제 대안은 제름 붙이게 남주 나눠래야 제정가베 남주 나눠라 텐저니가 셀라 롱메 바야 삼비 첸디 나시에 도사지 드린드 다 첸디 나시에 도벌래야 에 텐저니가 다 에 지워입니다 봐 냠레자데 개심으로스 sentinangi shema doya anda de kechen bores sumba nasin di shu de limina duje tamje mida bar khone sendel ngwen do yinos di shu de tabo lajrani gi ya de son do andre du sane sendel shena cheba mis sajebe yapche de shemba shide ga narole 다들 아주 셴바시대 나거든 송요아래 아들인 주자는 천디랑 셴바 도야래야 엔 대전이가 좋아합니다 대전 냠내 거야 돼 계속 그랬어 대전 시설했어 아들이
Now, in this text, there is really nothing about the subject of death and impermanence that is not included here. And so this comes from the entire practice. The author of the text himself had really developed the understanding or the experience of realization within himself, and he taught it on the basis of his experience. And so for someone such as myself, who has had no experience of impermanence from the time of birth up till now, it is difficult to explain it and to have the same feeling behind my words. And so for that reason, I really do not have that much else to say. In any case, it is as Lord Tsongkhapa said in his three principal aspects of the path, that it is the meditation on the precious human birth and death and impermanence that reverses attachment to this life. In any case, if we want to reverse or stop the attachment to this life, then it is important to meditate upon the precious human birth and upon the death and impermanence. And by doing this, we can reduce all our fixations and attachments on this life. It's as it is said here: awareness of the impermanence of all composite phenomena leads one to release attachment to this life. This is also something that is said in the teachings on the four freedoms from attachment of the Sakya lineage, where it says that if you are attached to this life, you are not a Dharma practitioner. And so in order for us to stop our attachment to this life, it is important for us to practice the contemplations on the precious human birth and on death and impermanence. These are like the foundations.
다 되려 이제 다 챈들레시는 처음 요이 군전으로 조대 가라서나 최사디 내가 그 팬바다 터두기 대화 니에베난 터두기 대화 조셔와자 터두기 대화 진주다 든지지기 탑름지 차대요 든지 차대요 인주산에 꼭 북양을 뮤기 천지점에 북양을 뮤기 천 북양을 뮤기 상도아 나든지 이런 차대요 근데 인주산에 아니다 천딜레야 지구 삼경에다 천딜레 시에네 천디기 뉴마 장가라 삼단 드시에비미나 아니 뭐지 쥐르고 왔게요 어느 천딘 뉴마디 천디긴 지den기 털럼 안데 줄때네 고 갈아가서 줘도 미유 안데 인주산에 최세과요 아들의 민주사 대균선 때네 이런 거 가서다지 너무 최대 시사데 개발시도사네 최사데 지 마타양 지 가서 스럽치마 편지 된저게 다 되는 돼 삼다지 된저지 그래 시스다 시들의 열도 니르시 시 야가 되지 부가를 뭐 미럽니 미럽 롱어 야차 동차 근데기 삼로 땅네 지게가 되기 푸기 된된 컨디션에 될래야 삼다네 어디 시야를 지요 시 도가 되서 다다다 되기 캡상 지 나와 가시 야나 로 가시 진짜기 캡상 버시 삼도내야지 아 미연은 인주산다 도나 다른 최스 주산 도나 최스 주산은 부가를 미기 내가 이 팬벌레 터도기 대화래야 즉수체 대자치로 지지 진짜지 체도 지 가서에 매주차지가 진짜지 주베 다 탑름질이야 최사도 진짜지 그래 드린 인주산다디 가서에 드린 인주산에 천디 지구를 해야 되나 아니 최 미유거나 디 미유의 퉁금에 인주산에 미유 마트에 비미나 안 탑람디 가서 냠슬 레만에는 시다 메딩에 사디오네 네 다디 센데신 체험했어
And so when we say, if you are attached to this life, you are not a Dharma practitioner, the primary reason for saying this is that in the Dharma we talk about temporary benefit and the ultimate happiness. And of the two of these, the ultimate happiness is what is primary. And so when we are thinking about the ultimate, it's the ultimate happiness and its methods that are primary. And so in the Dharma, we are really considering things with a very long view, a very long perspective. And so if we are instead only thinking about this life, or only attached to this life, or only striving for the purposes of this life, then we really will not be able to practice the Dharma. Because if we're thinking about just about this life and about worldly things in this life, there are many different things we can do, methods we can use, and in some way something is going to work out. And there's really actually no particular need for the Dharma at all. And so for this reason, when we talk about in the Dharma, when we talk about Dharma and worldly affairs, or Dharma and politics, we make the distinction based on this. When we're practicing the Dharma, we're thinking about the next life and future lives at a minimum, and so. but when we think about politics, there is good politics and there is bad politics. The good politics is taking the long view. It is taking the view of how to benefit your country or your place for generation to generation for hundreds or thousands of years. And so that is taking a long view about the aims and the benefits to the country. But there is also a negative politics. And the negative politics is when we're thinking about the profit now, profit in the next few months or for the few years, and that is all that is considered. And so when we're doing when we're practicing the Dharma, then we're primarily working for the ultimate happiness. Between the temporary benefits and ultimate happiness, we differentiate between these two. And because of that, we make our efforts towards the ultimate happiness. We use the methods for the ultimate happiness, and that is the Dharma. And so, in that way, if we are only attached to this life, then this doesn't really mesh with the aims of the Dharma. And so, using methods for the practice of this life aren't really the Dharma. And so, this is really how we should understand the statement that if you are attached to this life, you are not a Dharma practitioner.
다다 보시는 다와도 진상 여기 시물의 양의 세토시 민나게 아브라가 자와르니 시물의 시물의 자와르니 뼈 시물 나나 신 consumerism 在这边人路他加给了消费主义什么消费主义他的这几个就是来的啊你对不对呀我们当时鸟那些他三路说说了呀我那场呢光和月吧的科学月吧是也不都个吧是没3年的马当玩안지 되베 제수당 되베 제수 장선을 장도 야나 지 가수에 지 하나 캡자다
Nowadays, in the 21st century, material development of external material things has reached a very high level, and so everyone places their hopes on external things. They hope for external things, they place their hopes on them, and you could say that we have reached an age of consumerism, a materialist age of consumerism. And so we are at a time now where people are no longer able to, they do not think about whether they actually need the things that they want. And so people tend to just follow after their desires or after advertisements.
TV somewhere. Nintinan Devi Nanda Dana Singi Lam Singi Lamsur Yen Devi Nanda Dana Singi Rilim Babzodan Basik Babzodan Del Devi Nanda Hawaii ne Ji Kabda Dabnamang was Jache the Degatone Kandar Jizogi Sebe Da 가르래 왜 니즈 주마 사마르 왜 니즈다고 임베질이야 주마 인디아지 다 간다 디집시 쇠제 다 저랑 디고아레 스페라 자라 디디디뇨 디마니네 저랑데 가르래 차마상아르지 저랑 미지디 기부요 마르스 지미진 디뇨르 비리뇨레스 안데 나 베나 포몬도 지미나 almost done this go and this chogo very chogores and dim majuna and karshwe jura mizitsa sar sar ad degi ko karshwe ji kabra jizo sebe ngwe ni zuma ni zuma sedda ni zu imba da bachilya tön zuma inde ba da de bang ji yong ye bin du san me sang lo nyo ne si sue sa nyo ba ne si sue sa de du san ne jing nyo pri nyo de du san te go me go sa ndu ju di a zo sang du go de bal ta ina go ju de ndu ju di yawa ma se ba che ane go de ba sama go de nge de chi da de lu ji o cha de ya le na de du san di jun se den de du zu le du san a zo ji ka shwe mi sam lo nen den san deng go ba a de du di jun de go li ya a ju de tian zhe ni ga chi wa mi da ba sa de zu ki ning bu nan de ning bu de so nyam su le tu be mi na nan ta de ge ji zo di zhe li ya dian dian ji ji zo de ji xin zhen mi wa de ji da ji zo de ka shu le ji mo ne ka shu le da 딱 한다 전부리 지존들이 하던데 진짜게 냠낸 거아데 계속 무슨 차대 아래 삼정기에
If you watch TV or if you just look by to the either side of the main roads or intersections, if you go to a train station, a bus stop, or anywhere you go, you see many advertisements. And what's happened is that we have a state of affairs in our society it's really societally produced, and it's like an artificial nature of things, a fake nature of things. And we think, oh, I need this, I must have that, you must buy that. If you don't buy this, the advertisement tells us, if you don't buy this, your life will be incomplete, you will never find happiness in life. And so, for this reason, we feel like we have to buy many things. Especially for women, there are so many creams and things and salves and things that you need to apply and put this on. And if you don't wear all these things, then your life is over. And so we see all these things in advertisement. It's like these are imposed upon us by some society. It's like a nature of things that's artificial and made up and false. And in a way, it drives all of us, everyone in society, crazy. We think, I've got to buy this, I've got to buy that. We have to buy one thing after another. And so we want everything because our desires, of course, have no limits. Actually, we are not distinguishing what we need from what we want. And we think that everything that we want is also necessary for us. And so when we have come to a time such as this, when most of us think in this way, if we are able to really practice the essential points of the meditations on the precious human life that is difficult to obtain, and death and impermanence, then this is something that will definitely help bring peace and harmony within our society. And so I think that the practice of this is really extremely important to the world in general.
아르베 게고기 원진바 게고기 원진진이 미드즈미냐 프랑스 election 또베나 쇼로 두에콜이야 프랑스 케넨 슈체제 다다지 다대기 초답 living style 즉 초답 니데디 무튀니 지금 미럽리야 니데제제 소화계단 니데지 토안에 무튀니 로토 치타간다 다대기 comfort sommar다지 미제 디히도데 그래서 미럽리야 론주기요 지금 이제 캐쳐볼래 우르쳐보다 되게 첨부시 내체 다나 신기 미마성입니다. 어디다 든지기 간다르티 다대기 초등 느리지 토안에 미럽리 봐 가르래 느리지 좋아해 인사로 느리지 고수기 로데 이제를 든지죠. 느리지 참섬 지게겁들이야 준비지 벤조르기 베너지 참섬 지 놈공처 친사로다 근데 내주지 세르콘 근데 내주 준비 걸려야 아니 미마스 컨트롤랑 그러다 만에 개개점이다 대 개잡 안 좋으셔 담는 치거래 왜 내주 토할 제비미나 지기 고요 되었다 아 가르스나 초답 늦지 다 되기 뒤름이 쩌지비 나로래 아 소화계다 늦지 토하네 무튼이 심비나 용아 매비지마다 고 진리 토하네 다시 심적으로 제는산 하고 아주 늦지 미세디 늦지 겐 심비나 소화계다 늦지 토하는 제 심비나 가서 컨슈머리즘 som으로 제주기로 늦지 토하네 아니 소화도 게 심비나 용다 매비지 가르스 저블링기 딱 안들 로미 론치자 자식 굽주 구구 세난자도 자식 다 맞지 자식 자탐 세난자고 다디 정중기 통공을 되는데요. 정중기 통공인데 세시 예배지. 아주 로미기 정함나 세시 요만. 드레 뉴스안에 좀부린데 숨시 예배이네요. 안 당사 말에 쓰제. 근데 기베 끼죠 다대상. 로지지 걸리거 좋아도 나를 하고지 아주 배주 롱십지 제셔인 가르 예버도 상마 롱오지 문데메 미리 저기 예버텔리아바 가수르지 준중치 스사치 촉시지 드리시는 미스 개버리 다들 뒤주 가르서나 강 예버도 상으로 아뜨 땡규 오규 가지에는 상마 뜨 가르치 상으로 다 상마베 롱지 드리지기 전에 미스 개인 주사나 아니 용다 매지 봐. 다 하고요. 단도인에 답이지 가르래. 걔가 원진부 디즈이메 계시지잖아. 다 나다요. 말 기부지 선 되어지 돼서. 내 쿠란즈 미만즈 사면나로 아따 되는 신이 삼. 근데 토한 딱 한다라. 지금 고요 선한다도. artificial 가서다지. artificial reality 삼으로. 다 artificial reality 별게 나가는 게 없다. artificial reality 드로다베기 뭐 내주사마 드로다베기 뭐 내주사마 가서다 구주 데마르 제 당원에 제 구주 데마르 다 드네 뉴스안에 데마니 뭐야 구주이 마사지 같이 지시어다 구주 데마스 군주니 인데게 덴바니 인데게 디소를 딱 간다 군주 덴바 다 드리지 수에서 다 되기 고고로 좀 고로 거기서 또 되게 아래 한단도 가수에 어다 드리미 뉴스안에 아다 그냥 심제 맞으스 벤 눔드 상월로 아다다디 눔드소 아니베 조소 말았다 특시 신다 페이지에 눔되네 가시에 벤 자주 난기 나로를 저리 전부들이 진주나 놈이 없이 디주 놈도 아주 특히 신다 배주다가는 배 놈들이 인사로다데 단 미스 딱하다 드립 제 뉴스안에 단 도나 신나 사오르시 다 드리지 그 도안에 구주 데바사란다 우유니 주머로 드리지래야 그 고고르제 돼
And so, in this consumerist, in our consumerist societies, the leaders of the countries, the political leaders of countries, when it's time for elections, they make all sorts of promises. They say, "Oh, this lifestyle that we're experiencing now, this is something that will be able to continue from generation to generation," and we think that our current way of life is something that will be able to go for a long time. And so, everyone believes them. The political leaders make great promises. They say great things, and then everyone, all the public, all believes. Oh, this lifestyle is something that's going to be able to go it's going to be able to last from generation to generation. And then when there is some small economic problem that hits a country, then such as the oil price rises or the price of gold rises, then the public gets really angry about it and they protest and there's a lot of conflict about it. Actually, this is the way things really are. When we take a look at our 21st lifestyle, and if we think that it could continue, actually there's no way it could really be sustained into the future. When scientists examine this, they see if we continue to lead such a lifestyle, such a consumerist way of life, there is no way that the earth could support it. And the reason is because everything that people use, you could say 90%, 99%, or even 100% of everything that we use comes from the natural world. And that natural world, the natural resources have a limit, whereas human desire has no limits. And so even if we had 3 or 4 earths, it would still not suffice. And so we are using everything up. We are taking everything out of the environment. In the ancient traditional ways of life, we protected the environment, preserved the resources, but now we don't do that. We actually extract everything. We want everything in order to be able to maintain, to use them, to maintain our lifestyle. And there is no way that we could do this. There is no way that we can maintain our current lifestyle. And yet the political leaders say to us, oh, you don't need to worry about anything, we'll figure it out. And the public believes them, and so everyone has fooled each other. It's like we have this artificial reality, this artificial way of, this sort of imagined way things are. We could say that this is the relative truth. And so in some way, it's the relative truth or the concealing, the fictitious truth. It's like, it's fictitious, but it's also truth. And so we are all fooled by this. And so in this way, when we say that we might get worried, oh, there's no more oil. We need oil to sustain our lifestyle, and yet the oil seems to be running out. And then the politicians and people say, oh, you don't need to worry about that. We'll find new techniques of drilling, new ways to place. We'll be able to go out and drill oil from the continental shelves and the oceans and so forth. And so in this, it keeps going on like this. And actually, this is a really very scary situation. We have all been fooled by the relative truth, by the artificial reality.
어다들이 뉴스안에 근데도 다가다 지난 가수에 당우만 지스팅지 라자 다양가지라는 제와스케노 디 깔에 하고 수수니 다데 양가지 랍샤나 이번 딜리리아 모다 망보여디 캬 신기기래 모다 밀링가 하는 줄 알았어 베베미 밀린 좋은 제 기절에 베베미를 모다 대잔데서 보지 다 간다 밀린 주사야디 베베미 밀린 주사야디 텐덴지 민도 답 주머신 저 밀링아당 다 청중 가시에 리시에 소스도 마도 차장으로 좀 매매 소스도 간다르 드리시엔 다 간다르 점불링기 뷰리 상만 dom나서 걸다 마도 별이 연기 배바지고 dom나 밀린 주승만 밀링아스 마도 싫어 다 간다르 드리시엔에 어들이 모다 마루 주아래 모다 만도 주사 모다 당분 유디사네 미게르 소수 당와체는 요거래 뇨만요사도 소수 타진 이베네 아타사니 모다 로고 주나 미탐지 드스 갱감 탐지 드스 뭐 랑가디간 로고로 마다 지금 미게르 소수 랑가래 요마 안드니 유디사네 다 갱감 탐지 드스 랑가디간 로연디 에리 지기지니 산 상물로 된간 로도 드니 유사는 미게르 소수 당와디 지조디기 당와 지조디기 가서 choice 당와로 지샤로 네 드리미 유사는 디준센데네 모던 뉴스다 가르치는 요거 알았어. 가르치는 모런 방법들이 잘 알았어. юм제시다 요면 다 가시 가르친다 수수기 정말 긴제 내기 뭐라시 녀 인사 니해지 녀 샤고스 다 근데 사서 딱 간다 딱 딩상 가지고 그답 대보당 레 라보당 되네 가르사디 진두르당 다 이제 토하는 윤제 지 허브드 때는 윤제에 대해서 오늘 제난 윤제시다 매대게서 다 이제 토하네 가들 망보지 도스 가르쳐에 녀디가래 어디 뒤에서 뒤가라 가고 다 딩상 뭐라를 할 거라 가고 뭐라를 민족사를 섬서 아니 뭐라로서도 단도배 랑 삼바로 망보서도 아지 삼바지 겹디 라마게 삼바니 겹 아바 삼바 가르쳐 토산 니 삼바니 주스 겹샤는 제마 라게 삼바를 섬서 다들 내주를 차디어래 근데 인도산에 다 되고 알아서 샘대배 왕도 친선한 단도 컨슈머리즘 되게 간다 리저브 섬으로 준대선한 단도 그런 디브를 지래 제주로 제가 디브를 지 대인주산에 디브텔 대비나 하는 가서 신한 차오르시 삼는 내내 땅 거야 그렇지 딘디를 차대요 그래서
I have said this before, but it's worth saying again. In Delhi, there are many cars, as all of you know. There are 5 million cars. Actually, there are 5 million. There are 5 million Tibetans or so. Maybe we should give each Tibetan a car, or maybe we say there are 6 million Tibetans in the world, but it's not definite that there are actually 6 million Tibetan. There are almost 6 million, perhaps. There are 5 million and a few hundred thousand, not quite 6 million. In any case, if we were going to count it as 6 million, we'd have to include all of the Tibetans in exile or in other countries as well. In Tibet alone, there are around 5 million. In any case, there are more and more cars in Delhi. And at first, it's an individual choice to buy a car. A person wants to buy the car. It's the individual choice to buy it. And yet, when we want to go on the roads, these roads are not our own private roads. These are government roads. And so, because of they're all government roads, and people don't have their own. Because these are public roads, then people don't have the choice to go on their own private roads. And so they go on public roads, and there's one car and another car, and then everyone is blocking everyone, and you can't go anywhere. And so when we buy the car, then that is a private choice, and yet later it ends up becoming a societal choice as well. And so why is it that we would buy a car? Why do we think we need a car? And actually when we examine it, we see that there are generally not too many reasons to actually buy a car. Generally, we see, my neighbors have cars, my friends have cars, and so I want to buy cars as well. And so now there are so many now, but if we look at it and we see it, there's actually not much reason to buy it. It's just wanting to be competitive or to keep up with the friends. And so there's no particular reason for us to buy the cars, and yet many people buy the cars anyways. And so this makes a very difficult situation in society. There are too many cars, and so they build an overpass for the cars, or I should say flyover here, I suppose. They build a flyover for the cars to go on, and that's not enough, so you build another flyover. Then you build a third or a fourth flyover. And then if you build 20 of them, it's still not enough. And the reason is that our minds are really overcome by our desires, and we do not think clearly enough about what we need about the results of this. This is a result of our consumerist society. And if we look at this result, then it actually is a fairly scary situation that we need to consider carefully.
다 인도스탄 다 진제 내든 리차디 유인데 다티 내든 디칸 지가르에 델리암 아주기 니주 다 information somewhere 당고마인 니주 하마고 인상 되게 돈 하고 가르에 하고 된도 뭐좀 인자 되게 돈에 아니 논주 중벌해서 아주 계시야 대상 접리 돈 하고 된도 맞좀 살시라시하면 다지 수수 가르에 돈아 채통나 니주 과이네 니주 망차 매나마도 용차요 자게티즈 나로리아 니주 상문人民 상물로 소소기 수십치 아야 돼요 근데 돈에 니주 가르쳐다 information 세버에 니주기 가르쳐봐 마 니주 내단으로 가르쳐야 돼 마시에 봐도 마고에 돈에 엔디강에 차세요 말해서 배나 아주 타마해야 돼 타마 걸드는 베지 교유 망고시에 로망고치면서 신다 셴파샤는 타마 감 코랑 강리야 아니 되네 타마한테 통나 되네 베 교란 연가 수거래서 봐 지저스 타마한테 통나 되네 차로를 비리 차로래서 가시 참서 가시 빠르자셔스 디테나 되네 차로래서 타마 코랑 강 이네야 딱고 대셔 모든 다티 가라서 니주디 마셰바 마고 마토베 다라 레레 따르 샤메드지 다 가르쳐버렸으나 조도 소수기 자외 굴론선한다도 자외기 누바 굴론 체조 다 딜이야 요아 마타미 마데베 인두스탄에 니주 가세네 팽거 나제 인두스탄에 디균선 때네 가지고 굴론을 요하다 자양 가지고 삼동단이야 요하다 다디 계집 차디야 제산디 아니 대조니가 지와미다 버사도 상물로 따로도 넘시 지당로도 넘시 디나네 대조니가 지와미다 버사도 상물로 안지 소수기 시제기 삼로 동자당 다다나야 요하다디 다 계집 시라샤디 알았어
And this is a situation that does not come about from a lack of information. In the past, you could say, oh, people didn't have information, they couldn't find things, and because they didn't know things, they were mistaken. But you can't say that anymore. We can get all the information we want. We can look up anything we want on the internet, and there's more information than we possibly need. So there's really just too much information these days, and our difficulties do not come about from not knowing information. For example, you can think about smoking. With smoking, everyone knows that it's bad for you. We all know that it's injurious to your health. And if you look at the cigarette boxes, there are warning labels on the cigarette boxes that say, this is a danger to your health. Some of them even have pictures showing the dire consequences. If you smoke, this terrible disease is going to happen to you. And yet still people smoke. And the reason is not that people don't know, they don't understand, or they don't realize it. And so what is the reason? Well, the reason is that they haven't really changed their fundamental motivation, their fundamental wishes or interests. It's not so this is a question where no matter how much information you have, it really does not help. And so we need to transform our motivations, our fundamental motivations. And so for that, we need to consider the precious human life and death and impermanence. Actually, it's all of the four thoughts that turn the mind, but it's in particular the precious human life and death and impermanence. And so by contemplating these, it's important for us to change the way that we think of things.
다 들으니 저지고 마부샤 마셰 대처면은 다 되네 미다베 고르시 두산다 미다베 고들이야 가상 쉬는 시에 의중 기부 탐바 탐지 기강 미다베 투규고에 첸데 뢰당 주벌 님부르제네 튜니 타르신 부경가래
So it's not too necessary to say that much about the 21st century. So returning to the topic of impermanence, as I said yesterday, all of the great beings of the past, by contemplating impermanence, they have given up their desires for this life. They have strived at their practice and come to the perfection of the two benefits.
가담 군시에 숨스 가담 군시에 숨스 다 숨에 나네 롱메 툴을 충비 뽀도와서 뽀도와도 미다베 냠네 시부지에도 늦지기 딱 가담의 계획신이 전부 차대요 군시에 숨스도 산다디 빈자이 미기스만다 빈자를 저는데 야다고
In the Kadampa lineage, there are three great masters of the Kadampa lineage, known as the you could say the brothers of the Kadampa, although they're not actually relatives. And one of them is Potoa, who really meditated very strongly on impermanence and became a great Kadampa master.
Potoa 공취是大广大确送别够了。这广大确送的确送才会建立啊，他透过广大没事比呢，那生意去接触的是，那因为透过广大看的差中啊是呢，真的是呢，告诉他是送给我的是。
Potoa would give evening Dharma talks, and when he finished the talks, he said, "If I do not die tonight, then we can have another Dharma talk tomorrow. But who really knows what's going to happen tonight?"
미지기 보도와리야 강변난게지 까와도 교교차도 있어와 까와 교교차도 제가 까와도 제고사레스 슈베레스 어당 아주 그 재미상스 그 아주 재미아니가래 아주 그 지주사로 그 아주 재미아니가 그래서 다 간다 드린두산에 아주 그 맞이고는 그 아주 재미로 아니가 그래서 다 간다 그 접지 맞이고는 아주 싫어 아니가 그래서 근데 손 드린두산 근데 샤부 찍으면 슈롱매바 고네 근데 추합니다. 투규를 준비했고 최신 뉴화신 덴베덴바 네 세월을 잡아 근데 충분히 미지가 가와도 교고차도 있어 다들이 네 가와도 제고사를 네 냥한테 교고차도 네가 알아
And so there was a person, and in Potoa's house there was a pillar that had become crooked. And this person said that we needed to fix the pillar. And Potoa said, we need to fix the pillar. If we don't fix the pillar, then there's the danger that the pillar is going to fix us. And so we have to prepare for that. And so basically he's saying that he doesn't have any...
No. Someone says we need to change the pillar. Then he answered.
Oh, someone said to him, okay, well, His Holiness just translated it for us. We need to fix the pillar, or we need to replace that pillar. And then Potoa said, well, then there's the danger that the pillar will replace us. No?
It's before we change the pillar.
Oh,
Pillar will change us. It's kind of this thing. Pillar will change us. That means that before we change the pillar, we will die before change the pillar. It's difficult to say.
I think maybe it's clear now.
Okay. Doesn't matter.
And so in any case, Potoa was someone who did not make plans for even one day. He contemplated impermanence, and because of that, he was able to practice the Dharma as taught in the Dharma and Vinaya.
드니 카라고 준살 드니 저기 주도 전부 충분히 그래. 벽 간증 중에야 주기 gen지다 나의 gen이에서 주기 gen의 교배지다 나의 gen이에서 나의 gen이 나는 지디 카라고 중이서 지디 지주미래래면서 드는 순간에 진짜 내가 다 초도심 부중입니다.
There was also a great master in Tibet named Karab Gomchum. And actually in Tibet we talk about there being two crown ornaments and
one crown and ornament.
One crown ornament and two ear ornaments of the ears. And one of these ornaments of the ears was Karab Gomchum, and another was the Lord Milarepa. So in any case, he was a great accomplished master.
카라 군중데 로마 리프 로마 중세질이야 때네 초아 로마 중세질 때네 유진비 봐도 주번냠는 전에 슈브레 리프.
And so Karab Gomchung is someone who was able to do practice for a very long.
Not able. He did able. Okay.
He practiced for a very long time, subsisting just on leaves.
난 이마질이야 자종계지 레르스 자종계지 레네 카라고 좀 대박인 자 박중서다는 자 주시죠다 주시지 자 레 주시 진리지 퓨네 퓨브레스 퓨디산 어다 대쇼쇼손 차기 다 코랑 퓨르와데 내가 live it there 라디산 아나 차 자들이야 그 샤샤면서 자부중디.
And so one day there was a tea merchant who came along and saw Karab Gomchung and felt great faith for him and decided that he was going to offer him a brick of tea, tea leaves compressed into a brick. And he offered him the tea, and Karab Gomchung said, okay, you just leave this over here by the base of this cliff.
Base of cliff. Okay. 다들 로숨 실부송에 제래야 되네야 자종견디 양결디 자폭중 텔레체지 코네 카라곰중래야 뮤가침브레 뮤간르도서 우마 퓨샤베 자디 텔라추비 비게 샤쇼르스 가성 우마 샤스텔 우마 로숨게네 샤스타가란 샤쇼.
After 3 whole years, the tea seller came back bringing an even bigger brick of tea to give to Karab Gomchung. And when he got there, he saw that the brick that he had given him before was still sitting in the same place, but covered with a bit of dust and dirt.
되네도 자종인데 네 자디 꾸에네 잠이 미세바다 가린 슈브레스 다 남지 참여 다 카라고 좀 남지 참여에 인도산 되게 대화기 되네 네 코고요는 그응하고요 하고면도 되네 인도산에 되네 네 코고요는 그응하고요 하고면 되네 인사 네 되네 삼다는 네 되네 삼다네 마고바 루스도스 되네 다 저랑게 우마 퓨샤베 차드다 다다 저랑 퓨샤 자니가 막 큰 로스.
And so the tea seller asked Karab Gomchung, why didn't you drink the tea that I offered you? And Karab Gomchung said, well, it's unknown when we will die, and so I wasn't sure whether I was going to end up boiling the tea or if the tea would end up boiling me. And so thinking in that way, I just didn't brew it and didn't take it, and it's left over. So now why don't you just take that brick that you gave me before and your new brick of tea and take them both and go?
And 하나신기 내주로 주버근이기 루규지아래 주버근이디 팅지랴 장바 디시기 깨다 장바 디시자의 급디주산에 벽이 위장이 개보래. 위장이 개보. 장바 디시 개다. 아이고 치매있어.
There is also a story of the great yogin Drupakunle, who one time was summoned by the king of Utsang, Sangadesi.
다 장바 디시 전에 다들 중도 차상시도 다 간다야 장바 디시디 drupakunle야 대박견 다 경원에 주도지랜도스. 제가 드린 계란배 가르 얘기 저한나는 스토리지 난데서나 팬 계란 가르 툴이 녀버지도다 디 계란은 난 현으로 지스슈브레스 안드린다 그 망보심이 저한데 저한 가시나 다르 그신경하는 저한 가시나 세다 의경 저한 가시나 무딕들 무치라서 다 망보도 다 이제 감지가 나올라 다네 주루당 스당 근데 망보이 되는데도 근데 코란 촉세지 근데 골코메 있어 류르코메 코란 촉세스도 코란 거다 망보 맞지 코란 권도고 말아 코란기 수부기 누가说的 weight 코란기 가서 짜투는 거지 근데 지금 골코메 있어
So it's a long story, but the main point here is that Sangpa Desi felt great faith for Drupakunle, and he said, "You can take whatever you want from my storehouses and treasuries. Whatever you want, you just go and you take a look and you pick it, and I will give it to you." And so they went and looked, and in some of them there were all sorts of silks and cloths. Some were filled with gold and silver, some with pearls and jewels. And in one there was a box that was filled with coral and other precious stones. And so Drupakunle said that he would just take however much he could carry. And he would just carry it himself, wear it on his head.
양도만으로 뒤지 된다는 시에지 잡여서 샤브르로 잡대. 다마르 뉴스안에 아니 공기 저기 그런데 상물 파트에 장바게월 파트. 파트 뉴스안에 장바게월 다디 다디 뭐네 셰로치스다. 니 표시 개인지 민지 셰로치스. 슈브레스 주두산에 아니 두버근레 다 리신이 네 그만이스다. 내가 질 그만이스. 다 타도니 교랑게 그야요 말았어. 아드니 인두스탄에 드니 다 디스온스다. 딱보다 교랑 고랑 임비케서로 봐. 이내다 리시밍에 거메스. 타도 교랑라 그야요 말았어. 아드니 인두스탄에 다 디스온스 제제 공마시.
And so Drupakunle wore these jewels, and he walked up and down, he strutted up and down. He probably sang some songs or did some dance or something, and then he went to give all of everything that he had taken back to the king. And the king said to him, "Please, I've given all of these, I've offered all of them, these to you. You must accept them." And Drupakunle said, I've taken them, I've done what I've needed with them, I wore them, it was fine, and now I don't need them anymore, so it's fine, so you can take them back. And in brief, he did not accept them.
Okay, no problem. 다들이 뉴스단에 어디 진짜가 돈다 되는 상황으로지 치워미다바 투기를 준비해 다안으로데 임베레 다이면은 하나 소리야 차츠베이미나 베네지 돌아지 겸비네 그래지 겸비네야 경기에 와서 문제바 대 돌아도 야가로 되지 않고 세이나 서규에 베미죠 세 신바 좋아체 되는 사고 꼼 통규에 베게 미셔봐 되네 이제 딱 간다고 가서 잘라서 봐 단진식 거 봐. 노 태도 내급 temporary 놀라 내급 놀라 주기에 미쳐 미럽네 미럽 아 다든데 가르쳐지 미럽네 미럽라 저 소수에게 로마다 다네 소수 미규라 셔규에 가지고 다나 신기 내가 제외게 안 미쳐 가르쳐야 다 말해다 드네 인두산 다 추합니다 최이 냠렌데 솔리미나 제견 뚜블라 마제견 뚜바사므네 제견 쇼라 마제바 쇼건다고 제네 아 제난도 마제난 그 도서 삼바르시 드네 인두산에 드네 그 토안에 에 최주야지 요마르스 주단지 요마르스 루후디 그런 지대 신들이야 때려বে 인두산에 근데 진짜지기는 로부 가르쳐 선드버 때바 가사지 최주 단지 요마
So all of these are signs of the meditation on death and impermanence, but we aren't like that. If we, with clothing, we're not satisfied with just something having something to wear, but we want the best, the finest clothes. With food, we aren't satisfied with just having something to eat. We want to have the tastiest and the best. With something to drink, we aren't satisfied with something that just slakes our thirst. Instead, we want to have the most expensive tea or whatever. And so, with jewels, we don't think that we're just going to have them for
Jewels, physics.
with our possessions and our wealth. We don't think of them as just being something that we're going to use for a short time. Instead, we expect them to be something that will stay in our family from generation to generation, and we plan for them staying for generation to generation. But when it comes to practicing the Dharma and thinking about death and impermanence, it's as if you do some, it's okay. If you don't do some, it's okay. It's as if it doesn't really matter to us. And if we try to do it in that way, actually accomplishing any Dharma there's no way that can happen. The aims that we have inside, the aims we keep inside of our heart are the aims of this life. And when we have that sort of an aim, then it's very difficult for us to actually practice the Dharma.
Milam zidana tsendiwe milam jangan dandian. Niman yinga chobar cho dembaran den dusa gonda de milam ne sta tamdo. 다 니마지 지리야 도와지 천 디베기 자와로 까마카셰 지나 디스 주여는 다 대고 밀람난 땅아니 다 대양 가르쳐서 다데 가르쳐서나 수수기 로데 이체서는 다도 루후디 천디벌 죄여비 인두산 밀람난래 밀람 준제나 데 밀람난 땅니 데도와진 로데게는 지 레가 레데게는 여규모 규세 데게는 디제 밀람 땅 드린 두산 디균전 때네 딱 하더라 가수회지 낭에 둡시다.
Even in our dreams, we only dream about the affairs of this life. We might spend the entire day doing a puja and reciting texts, but in the evening, we don't dream of that. On another day, if we do even just a few minutes doing something for this life, then at night we dream about it. And this is a sign that in our deepest wishes and our innermost thoughts, we're really thinking only about this life. And because of that, it comes up in our dreams. We think about what we did or how we've done it, and these are what come up in our dreams.
다드네 가려얼스나 야 드네 타바 고만 남기 티 숭나로 가려얼스나 아주지 아주 융화가 차와 찌듯지 깨지 셰비냐다 류기 차와 셰바 에베 류기 지 가르쳐 준둘러 서베 죄람 nga 마주를 서베기 다 죄람 다는 신기 이기 남도 요와 춘제 다 융화 예수제 찌듯지 셰베냐 될 천디기 지는 데낭기 지든 최게단 제도 다거 봐 깨라지 지네 타는 깨라지 지네 될 가르쳐디 지든 최게단 제도 다 다는 빠지세네 디 지든 최게단 제도 다 근데 손 다행히 엄마 대체니 다들 파세스 얘는 거를 최 지냠는 지위에 기절이다 신다 파션 좀 주도 저람 탐해버디도 파션 오늘들 다 최제인선 다 간다 거를 민들 최제의 인선 다 넘버는 돼 간도게 저렇지 대코랑 되는 최 로먼도 티즘도 사디아래 빠서 유도서 최래매 그 삼도지 파세스 드네 인두산에 다 가서 다탄 다시 빠사 깨라지냐도 지든 최기는 되는데 만드는 다 개는 봐 요샤스 텔레바 최체 아주 변나 나지 냠돈 저 가르래 최 순수의 년배체도 냠돈 좀마 야나 담배 최기 주는 제배체도 냠돈 좀마 야나지 가르래지 너번도야 초 쳐라 근데 제도 냠돈 좀마 근데 qab려야 아주 최대 이듬이 다그래서 가라서 아주 최치기 민디 최치기였어 봐 민디 최치기였어 봐 민다사의 인도산에 대최대 이듬이 다고를 마더베 민 최체의 스타샤와 대코랑 지대 최게 최만인 차소나 아주 미즈쳐라 뒤주쳐라 다 현다도 빠사 디걸 다 데스지 고향으로 전화다고 이제 주의는데 쭉샤나 쭉 오면도 그런 렌도어다 오토매틱 렌도어 다 이내 안다 간다 디걸이야 아니 지다 지잖아 다지 가서 지대 최기 왕도 손나야 다 오즈 섬으로 오즈 시라 it's fine not a big problem so that big problem today you stand the something what they catch me Israel
in the words or the instructions left by the great masters of the past, it says, whatever we do with our body, speech, and mind, that is, with our body, whether we're standing, sitting, or whatever, with our speech, however we're speaking or talking, with our mind, whatever thoughts we're having, we need to examine whether these are enmeshed with the thoughts of this life, with the 8 worldly concerns. It's said that even if we are tying our belt, we should see, is this connected to the 8 worldly concerns or not? If we're eating tsampa in the morning, we should see, is this related to the 8 worldly concerns? But I think about this, actually when I think about this, actually we need to be mostly careful about our Dharma practice. And so, because we say, I'm doing Dharma practice, and it's got this name of Dharma practice. We might be having a puja or gathering to do this, and we have to see, is that itself, is that really the Dharma practice, or is it not? If we're just eating tsampa or something, then it's not that big a deal. If we're eating because eating tsampa, it doesn't really matter whether it's one of the 8 worldly dharmas or not. But when we are doing dharma practice, whether we're gathering to listen to teachings, whether we're gathering for a discussion, or we've all come together for a puja to recite some liturgy, or whether we're having debates, at that point, we really need to look and see whether that is really becoming the dharma or not. Because we've given it the name Dharma. We're calling it the name Dharma. And so we have to see whether it actually is the Dharma or is not actually the Dharma. And because if it is not Dharma, we may be calling it the Dharma, but if it is mixed with the 8 worldly concerns, then it really is just something that we're doing for the purposes of this life. And so for other things, such as tying a belt or eating tsampa or something, then they just automatically will become worldly. And so it's not that important. Maybe it's okay if those are... Maybe it's okay if those are mixed with the 8 worldly dharmas, are not so bad. But it's important that we think about this for the Dharma.
단도는 지된 최계 사대 따고 가서에 최계를 까나 차수면 알아서 지스도 지된 최계 까버지다 나버지다 차차지 수면 알아서 지된 최계 까버도 살내 저스 뭐도 줄래 요런돈 지시야 나보디 방고를 지스도 아타다 다간시 다간다 지된 최계 스두산에 지人对吧啦高啊的卖不了没高啊了手他这些 지당 때문에 가마가 좀 시도 저기는 겁들이야 extreme somewhere 하장 그 현천에 단도랑 예 남주 가르치다 간들 통고 알았잖아 물론나시 물론 믹매버나시 믹매베 제보체 somewhere 믹매베기 가서 복선 흉기는 신들지 다 믹매게 복선 흉기인바 흉니 전부 해야 믹여만다 되는 주산 딱그 관심하고야 만 되는 신 나저个 랑도르 내디 내가데 마통시 nd가지 가르르지 심 가르르 셴바 코네 왕 셴밤 nd바 코네 왕도 파 당샤 마도베기 딜래야지 링이게 딱제는 chen ndi 링도 ndi 년도 삼바로 근데 링이게 딱제 가 맞으세 믹좀니 아니 무조슈되는 신 다 되지기 가수 차디도 근데 내 인도산에 다 뒤능수의 단계 관심하는 신래 뒤능수의 아니 신앙상 시작도 배나 나란수디 가르사디 TV 진대나로 캡라던 주상 뭐 바바들이 캡라던 것도 행마 바바들이 캡라던 게 돈 바바 캡라던 주산 가르치고도 사나 미지 바바지 쉔지 둘러 나고서 그 미시 나고지 선글라스 니메 미시들 나고서 제제 근데 레용도 비네스 남관은 풀니 냠단 레 호브드 톤드산은 다지 간소로 다지 바바 나가 부기면 가서 하고다 냠다지 그 점자서 다이면 대 팀만 보다 쓰듯사네 다 소소이네 디 인접 쇼네 나 바바한테 쉔 돌아나버스 그 미시나고 그 디제네 디 냠다네 가르쳐지 우던데 다타니 지 로난 조주주나 소사지 소소디 인파 다들 다디 디주산 미롱도다 미롱네 당부 공위니 덴바만이 바하 고기라 드네 셴베왕기 소소딜베 인쇼사나다 드르차 어다 딘데 소르지 안조 제 가수에다 가르 셴바 타고 쓰는 단도 다는 셴바 템보 챈들에 셴바 타고 셴바 템보로 들지어 되는 인도산에 엔티기 왕을 치네 다 간다 데 링이 남주 토안에 제 링이 잔 야와 마셔 근데 요는 봐 데데 지겨 말았어 내가 저 데를 지면로 선선하지 데를 비슷도 신다다 미세 말이야 응 되지라셔
Actually, when we talk about the 8 worldly concerns, there are what we call the positive and the negative, and then the mixed 8 worldly concerns. The positive ones are like the 8 worldly concerns within the beings of bodhisattvas residing on the bodhisattva levels. It's the negative ones, the black ones, that we need to eliminate. But with the 8 worldly concerns, this is basically being pleased at being praised, being displeased at being criticized, and so forth. But here, the really important thing is it's the extreme ones. It's when we have great attachment or great fixation. So I often sort of think about this. It's like a blind boxer. So a boxer with no eyes may be incredibly strong, very strong, but he has no idea who he's going to hit when he throws a punch or where it will strike. Similarly, we do not really see the main points of what we need to take up and what we need to give up. We go under the power of our fixations, under the power of our desires. And so for that reason, we have no discernment of what is good and what is bad. It's as if we are going around with our eyes closed or with our eyes closed, as if we were going around in the dark. As I said before, this is actually a scary sort of situation. One example is like when we see TV ads. When you see an ad on TV, like I've seen one about an advertisement for a motorcycle, and what happens in the ad is that there is this big guy wearing black clothes and a black helmet and black sunglasses riding this motorcycle, and he comes into the screen flying through the sky. And when you first see it the first time, you think, motorcycles can't fly, it can't be like that. And then you see it again, and then you start to fantasize about it. It's like, maybe I should start wearing black and put on black sunglasses and wear this big black motorcycle. I could maybe fantasize about flying through the sky. And so in this way, it's like we've gone blind through this, because we have at first we know that it's not a true situation, and yet then later we begin to really fantasize about this. This is a sign of our fixation as being too solidified, as being too hard and solid. And because of that, we fall under their power. And since we fall under the power of such strong, such solidified fixations, then we no longer have any discernment of what is good or what is bad, or what is good and what is bad, and what we should or should not do. And so, for the time being, what is most important is that we do not fall under that power.